Ah, Jesus. Ah! Oh, my guy. How far now? I'm fine. Are you? Very far. No, wait.
Where have you been? I have not been seeing you.
I'm sorry, my brother. I traveled. I went back to the city for 7 days.
Do you see why I'm always angry with you?
I traveled to set some things up based on what I told you. You know now.
I see.
Yes.
No problem. Actually, I was actually going to see a friend down there, so maybe we'll see you still ready. Yeah.
Your sister. Send my regards to her.
For sure. You know that. Yeah.
Now, they won't come. Ah, no come. Maybe potato. The potato, they can go.
Chiamaka. I am set.
I'm going to the market.
Okay.
Remember to prepare things for me.
Yes,
prepare the vegetables.
I will.
Prepare the pepper. Just arrange things so that I can.
Ma, I will now. Don't you trust me?
Yes, I do.
Mama, don't forget to buy market things for me.
Hey, remember to tell your brother to fetch water. Tell him.
Don't forget to buy something for me.
I will.
Bye bye. Hey, now that Mama has gone out, let me go and call my friend Chiamaka and Chidera so that we'll complete the drum accounts.
Revenge! Revenge! Revenge!
Things. No. Did you get here? Since problem. My eye is paining me. This is thunder now. Thunder. What? There's no brain now. Why is it thunder? Strange things are happening in this community. Eh? We can call my friend.
Why do you have to do what you did? Why?
I'm sorry, daughters of the spirit mother, but I'm angry. I seek for revenge, and I must wipe out the entire village.
You seek for revenge, and you have to wipe the entire innocent ones. Why? Was that why I sent you there?
I'm sorry, daughters of the spirit mother.
Try it next time, and I will send you back, and you will never return back again.
Thank you.
Go! Leave! Leave! Chi. Yes. Adize. Yes. Check your head what I heard. What? No, I like gossip. All the my water down. I will hear very well. You won't give somebody. Gossip. Okay. Gossip. Calling me a gossiper. Why? So Kina, today I heard a very thunder sound. What? Maybe nothing. What? Please. Are you serious? You don't serious or not? Yes, I heard that sound earlier today and I got scared. Hey. I didn't hear anything. Are you in this village? Are you sure you're in this village? I wonder what is happening in this village. And immediately I heard that sound. Do you know the first thing that ran into my mind? What? The sound of death. When I got scared, because for it never happened. No. I don't want to run away from this village. I don't have anywhere to go. Don't make me scared now. Don't get me scared. Can you please leave this discussion for another day? You know we are carrying heavy loads on our head. You're right. Let's go. Everybody sees know me. Wait a minute, let me find my water. Let me tell you something. Now, because I want to carry down your water. Can I come now? We are waiting for you. Come on.
What's wrong? This one, everybody faces like this. What's wrong? Udoka, what is it? Organipa.
Chiamaka, where is other people yourself?
What happened? He's lying down.
Mama was struck dead by thunder.